Hi, it's me Yajindra and welcome to my channel Code with Yaji. Today we will discuss about biggest mistake that every beginner programmer must avoid. Programming where counting starts from 0 not 1. If you are not in programming and you will be pointing this a mistake made by a programmer, then be ready to see a scariest angry young man look of programmer throwing a paper or stone at yourself. Programming is one of the funniest, hardest, and easiest thing to do in the world. A semicolon, a bracket, a loop, and a lot of small and big things matter a lot in coding, and you might have definitely experienced your silly mistake, especially in initial phase of programming. Mistakes are part of coding and every programmer makes tons of mistakes, especially a beginner. But that's how they grow and become a good developer. We are going to discuss some common mistakes that programmers make during the initial phase of coding. It is good to be aware of this mistake and not to do same while learning to code. Before starting our video, I want to request all the lovely viewers to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell, as our channel keep on uploading video related to how one good programmer can become a successful programmer. We will discuss on every matter that one good programmer need. So without further delay, let's start our video. In our first list, we have compare and fear. This is one of the biggest mistakes that beginner programmer make. It's a human nature to compare yourself with other all the time. That's the case in programming as well. You see a talented programmer who is good at solving the problem and making things work too fast, but you start doubting and questioning your capabilities, which is not good. Some people are good at picking the concept very easily and some people takes time, but slow learning is completely okay if you take intense in coding. Programming might be scary for you sometime and beginner go through the phase when a voice in the head always say, I am not smart enough to solve the problem. I have wrong type of brain. And a lot of things make them feel insecure and make them realize that they are not capable enough to code. When you have self-doubt in yourself, always remember that you need to face with courage and you need to be fearless. Programming is the field of taking challenge and helping others by solving their problem. Ask yourself, what can I do to become better programmer? What are the areas I should have to improve? Identify your strengths, be thankful for it. Identify your weakness and work on that by taking help from other, by watching tutorial or joining programming community. We have Instagram page named Code with SG, where I keep on sharing things related to programming as well. You can follow that page as well. This is another biggest mistake that beginner programmers should avoid. Learning too many programming language, technologies and framework. This is one of the common mistakes that most of the beginner makes when they start learning to code. They think that it is impressive to have Java, C++, Python and a lot of more language, frameworks or technologies to show to someone or to mention in resume. But this is actually fullness, not a sign of intelligence. If you don't have common or in-depth knowledge in any of them, learning Java for 15 days and switching to Ruby just because Java is tough, or there is another reason when you will eventually end up with a lot of confusion. It is good to have knowledge of multiple languages, but we highly recommend you to focus on single language in the beginning. Once you are experienced, you will not face any difficulty switching to another language. If you do this mistake, then after a couple of years, you will realize you aren't mastering any single language. This may end up your programming career as well. In our third list, we have writing messy code. An experienced programmer can easily spot a beginner looking at their code structure. Some of the mistakes that beginners make in formatting code are no proper indentation in code, inconsistent use of new line and white space or putting everything in a single line, bad variables name and function name. For example, naming variables and function name a, z, j, etc. don't make any sense. They use small case and large case variable name randomly, not commenting or over commenting the code. The above points are not limited. There are a lot of mistakes that beginner programmers make while writing the code. As a beginner programmer, it is good and exciting that your code is running and giving the desired output. But if you hand over that messy code to someone else and he or she need to maintain or continue it, it will be annoying for that person. He or she will face difficulty in understanding your code, loop or condition in it. Programming is not about just writing code and making it work. Your code should be clean, readable and maintainable, as well as always try to write well-structured code. In our fourth list, we have laziness in doing practice. There is no point of reading 1,000 lines of code until you don't get your hand dirty in programming. There is a huge difference between reading the code stuff theoretically or doing things practically. Practicing the actual code should never be neglected in programming. It is easy to read some line of code or watch some videos for learning, then telling your brain that you understand everything. But once you start writing the code, you will find that you are making a lot of silly mistakes. In the beginning, you will be missing semicolon, bracket, and you will face difficulty in writing a loop as well. But to get rid of all these things, all you just need is to keep on writing code. Just practice it, catching some error, debugging those errors, and then finding out how all the small pieces come together. In our fifth list, we have writing code without plan. A lot of beginners in excitement skip the thinking, researching and planning stage of a project and start writing code right away. They do not understand the problem, requirement, limitation and do not think about all the case scenarios like as what's the input and what should be the output, etc. It can create a big issue and later you may regret it. And we highly recommend every beginner that just like before saying anything to anyone, you should think so you don't regret later. You should also think and research before you start writing code. In programming, developers spend only 10% of time writing code. Rest of the time they plan, research, discuss the complete project. A beginner should go with the flow in sequence of think, research, plan, write, validate and modify. So they should follow some basic thing before writing the code to avoid any issue or disaster at production level. To avoid this problem, I have some tips. Understanding the problem and requirement. Do some research and experiment to find out what data structure is good to solve the problem. Pick up the best one. Pick up the right data structure for your problem. Note down all the case scenarios for testing. Break the problem into solvable pieces. So these are some mistakes that beginner programmer must avoid. If you think this video is helpful for you, then do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. This will motivate me to make awesome content for you. I will see you next time with new videos.